American 1181 is about
200 minimums.
91, spacing looks good. Traffic over the numbers. Runway 25, wind calm, cleared to land.
Runway 25, cleared land for American
40,
1181.
30, 20, 10, 5.
Ref. Speed brakes extended.
Oh, yeah. On our way back to Eagle today. 2 hours and 22 minutes. Flying with Jeff. Jeff is actually typed in the airplane. You want to say anything?
I'm trying to think.
Like, what's for lunch? And then we're going to fly right back.
So, headed out to Eagle today and back, and planning to head out there tomorrow, but a bit concerned about the weather. Wish me luck.
Yeah, at this point, the weather's real iffy, and if it doesn't improve, it's just not going to happen. I got a mint in my mouth. Poor form for making videos.
Okay, flaps set, speed brakes retracted, trims. Let's see, 3 in the middle. Anti-STS crew briefing. Visual departure off runway 26 left, my leg. Standard call outs. If we have a problem below, V1 will abort afterwards. We're continuing to treat it as flight emergency. And if we have to return, what we'll do is we'll do a left downwind back to this runway. I'll fly the aircraft and you do the radios and checklist. Sounds like a plan.
Number 9 uniform, fly runway heading. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Okay, takeoff 26 left, right, fly runway heading for November 9 uniform.
Runway heading. Uniform, you might see a couple Cessnas on the north side in the traffic pattern. Won't be a factor for you though.
Understood, thank you. Okay, we're clear on the left. Okay. Cleared for takeoff, runway heading. Okay, let's see, ignitions. They're on. Heater static. They are exterior lights. On. Transponding TCAS. Transponding. Engine instruments. They all look good. Enunciator panel. Clear. Go do this. Alright, ma'am. Okay, take up power set. Airspeed's alive both sides. 80 knots cross checked. V1. Rotate. Positive climb. You're up. Gear selected up. Feet. Flaps up, yaw damper. 0 selected, engaged.
Number 9 uniform, contact St. Louis departure. You have a good flight.
Departure 9 uniform, thanks, good morning.
Take care, Jeff.
You too. St. Louis departure, good morning. It's November 9 uniform, through 2, climbing 3000, runway heading.
Citation 9 uniform, St. Louis departure, radar contact. Maintain 5000, clear at Cabot, join Ozark 7 departure.
I climb 5000, Dr. Cabot, join the Ozark 7 for 9 uniform.
5000, direct Cabot. 9 uniform, contact departure 128.1, good day.
128.19 uniform, thanks, good morning.
I got Cabot, whoa, there we go.
Departure, good morning, it's November 9 uniform, 3500, climbing 5000 altitude towards Cabot.
November 9 uniform, St. Louis departure, climb, maintain 15,000.
I'm 15,000, 9 uniform, thanks.
15,000.
Did you notice he called me Jeff?
I know.
With no idea what his name is.
That's 104 out of 2.3.
That started happening.
It's always been happening more?
1104, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 15,000.
Okay, we got 15,000.
And it's the videos.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So where else have you had that happen?
It happened at Eagle one time.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's funny. In your airplane?
Yeah. I was sat with Walt in the brick house, and we were sat at the bar, and the 2 guys next to us at the bar recognised me.
Oh, that's...
Southwest 1074, proceed direct cruise.
That's even funnier. Autopilots engaged.
Splendid.
November 9 uniform, contact Kansas City Center 134.5 cadet.
134.59 uniform, thanks, good morning.
Weber 2703, contact Kansas City Center.
KC, good morning, it's November 9 uniform, 10, climbing 15,000.
November 9 uniform, Kansas Center, roger, climb, maintain, level 230.
Level 230 for 9 uniform, thank you.
Climb, maintain 230. Yeah, we're an hour and 6 minutes out. We just passed an airport back there. It's an old World War II training base. One of those triangles they used to make. I'm flying with Jeff again today. Jeff is actually typed in the, he's typed in the Citation Excel now. So, he's a Citation Excel guy. Well, actually, he's really a Challenger guy. Hour and 4 minutes.
Yeah, interesting routing this morning, isn't it? Denver, good morning, November 9 uniform, flight level 400.
9 uniform, Denver, Roger.
I have this to do the flying or the worrying.
That's right. I'll do the flying, you do the worry.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
A fair old division of duties right there.
Yeah. Well, descent checklist when you get a chance.
Okay then, let's have a gander at this. Cruise.
471,
Send. Windshield anti-ice. Anti-ice, de-ice. Ignition switches.
Holding on the ignition switches.
Pressurization.
25, Denver.
Set.
APU.
We're not going to use the APU.
Okay. Recog lights.
We'll wait till we get below it.
Okay. I'm holding on the rest.
Okay. See, I think it's up that valley, up that way.
Yeah.
Roger that, discussion flight 200, crossing 270. 5236.
Sometimes when it's really, really clear, you can kind of make it out.
Skywest 5236, set a maintain for level 200.
200, Skywest 5236.
American 1181, clear at Quandary, cross Quandary at above 14,000, cleared LD approach. Directly to Quandary, at about 14, clear for the LD approach for American 1181. November 9, uniform cross Quandary at above 14,000, cleared LD approach.
Cross Quandary at or above 14,000, clear for the approach for 9 uniform.
Okay, Quandary.
At or above that Quandary 9 uniform.
Hey, firm at or above 14,000 at Quandary and clear for the LD 825 for November 9 uniform.
Okay.
November 48 Vector, clear at destination.
Okay, I'll prepare to start driving the alerter, and I'll make sure that all of these 14.
American 114, descend maintain 14,000, Hayden altimeter 3005.
13.8.
Roger.
12.9.
Hey, United 784.
12.2. 10.4.
980.
United 784, Denver Center, resume normal speed, set maintain to 16,000.
The minimums.
Eagle altimeter 3016.
14.6 on missed. Okay, it's all valid.
16,000 and normal speed, United 784.
Okay, there we go with the transitions 3016.
3016. Twice on the left.
And the right, 18 now. Recogs are on.
Thank you.
I put it here. Okay. Passenger safety switch.
Passenger safety.
November 7 Charlie uniform, Denver altimeter 2991.
2991 for Southern Charlie uniform.
For 23407 Denver Center. Squawk is 1472. You said a Skylane. Skylane 407, radar contact. The Eagle altimeter 3016. November 9 uniform, traffic alert, 12 o'clock. 10 miles is a slow moving aircraft northeastbound indicating 10,400. Well, it looked like he was climbing, but looks like he's stable now.
Okay, we're looking for November 9 uniform, thank you.
See, I'd hate to be like VFR at that altitude.
Approach.
Yeah.
Hey, United 784, we do request
somebody running through a canyon or something.
Yeah. 1,000.
The ILS.
1,000.
Sir, we have localized the Zulu runway.
And I'm slowing.
Sounds good.
And 74 clear at Kremlin cross, Kremlin at above 14,000, clear for the localizer Zulu approach.
Okay.
Okay, clear to
Send checklist complete.
At above 14,000, and we're clear, localizer Zulu runway 25 approach, United 784.
Yeah, you said cross it at 14?
Yeah.
Looks like we're going to be crossing at approximately
1181.
14?
American 1181, go ahead. Is the guy in front of us far enough ahead where we can just do the visual in? American 1181, if you want the visual, call the airport as soon as you can. Airport's currently 12 o'clock at about 38 miles. All right, we'll call you when we see it for 1181. 9 uniform traffic, no factor, off the right side.
7. Thanks, 9 uniform.
Gas 5477, but approach 123, Pan 8.
Okay, there's Quandary. I'm at 13.8 you can go down to.
Okay, 13.8.
American 114, roger. November 9 uniform, contact Eagle Tower, Sealer.
To Tower, 9 uniform, thanks, bye.
November 23407, traffic. 1 o'clock. Looks like he's on final.
Tower, good morning, November 9 uniform, we're Quandary inbound.
Citation 9 uniform, Eagle Tower, report Washi.
Call it Washi, 9 uniform.
Hey, flaps approach.
Set.
Thank you. So across Coaxa at 13.8.
Correct. Oh, you got an alt hold, so it's Quila at 12.9. I'm going to give that to you.
12.9. 470 feet per minute. About 500. There we go. There's the runway. Right there.
Got it. It was right in the pillar.
Yeah.
Windshield for me.
Tower 25 Kilo Zulu, ready at the end.
Falcon 25 Kilo Zulu,
But there's some
Tower,
low
25,
clouds
wind
just to
calm,
the
clear
north of the runway.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's that. That
Oh,
plant.
that mine.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what that is. The steam coming off of it. You're right. Inbound course is 250.
I'd set it.
Oh, you did? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Welcome. Okay. 4-2.
4-2. I'll wait till we fully turn in. There we go. 250.
Yeah.
There we go. Roach is armed. Localizers captured, glide subs captured.
Expanded.
Here we go. And Washi's the final approach fix, isn't it?
That's correct.
Okay. Close this up, put this over here.
Tower American 1181 with you on the LDA to 25.
I'll get the gear at the final approach fix.
Okay.
Falcon 25
Actually, you know what? Let's get it now. That'll help us slow down.
Yeah, okay.
Gear down.
Okay, we'll go to departure
Running.
leaving 1010,000. Good day, 5 Kilo Zulu.
American 1181 Eagle Tower, good morning. Just confirm you have the film set.
Yes, sir. Field is in sight.
American 1181.
3 greens.
Approach runway 25, your number 2 phone at citation.
Autopilot's
12 mile
disengaged.
final,
Okay.
5 mile final.
Clear to visual 25, report a 5 mile final for American 1181.
I get your glide slope cancel because it's
thanks,
yeah.
Yes, sir. Gate 1.
Copy.
And approach altitude set.
Thank you.
Welcome.
14.6.
American 1181, watching you fly, they're cutting through the Red Canyon. When you're able to start reducing just a touch, traffic are following 8 mile final citation. They're indicating a 160.
All right, we'll slow down. We're just outside Quandary on localizer Zulu runway 25.
United 784 Eagle Tower, good morning. Report Barza.
It would port Barza, United 784.
And 9 uniforms, Washi inbound with the field in sight.
Citation 9 uniform, runway 25, wind calm, cleared to land.
Clear land 25, 9 uniform, thanks.
Third land 25. Laps to full.
Selected.
I want to come just a little bit to the left here.
United 784, can you confirm your gate for me?
Gate 7, sir, United 784.
Roger.
And slowing. I'm on the Vassie.
Okay. Vale Valley Jet Centre, November 9 uniform.
9 uniform, good.
9 uniform, short final, we'll be with you in a couple of minutes, so should have 2 rental cars. A fuel truck.
Copy that, sir. See you.
Yes. I didn't
Thanks, if we get a fuel truck
1,000.
as well, that'd be awesome.
Is that going to be with or without?
Without.
Without, please.
Copy that, fuel without.
There we go.
On the Vassie now.
Okay, plus 10.
500.
Ref 5.
Dot Empress disengaged.
That's seen.
United 784, when able, report the film set.
300.
United 784.
United 784, roger, cleared visual approach runway 25.
Visual 25, United 784. And American 1181 is about a
200 minimums.
81, spacing looks good. Traffic over the numbers. Runway 25, wind calm, cleared to land.
Runway 25,
50,
cleared land for American
40,
1181.
30, 20, 10, 5.
Rev.
Speed brakes.
Extended. 6 lights reverse.
Citation 9 uniform, AF Able. Turn left Alpha 5, contact going off, point 8, good day.
Alpha 5 ground point 8, 9 uniform, thanks, bye.
This Suburban's sticking out a little ways.
All right, I'll take it
Yeah.
slow. We're looking
Yeah,
good.
you're good there. Just don't come any further right.
Okay.
Course, Black Forest,
Okay, you're good. You passed it.
then as filed. On departure, climb.
Okay, everything looks good. All right, let me sit down. They all ran inside, used the facilities here, then they're leaving. Jeff and I are going to grab some sandwiches at the little cafe here, take them with us. We're taking on fuel. We're basically doing a quick turn, heading right back to Spirit of St. Louis. Tomorrow, we're supposed to fly back with another load. But we've got a problem with the weather. It's not looking good at all. So if that doesn't happen, we'll bring them out the day after. And I'm not very optimistic about it. You know, they're calling for 200-foot ceilings, mile visibility, stuff like that. Just doesn't work. You got to have 1,800 feet and 3 miles for the localizer 2.5 here. It is what it is. It's like Americans heading out. All right, I was just making a little video clip here. You'll be the star. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.